Alright, so now let's try to switch this static text to a JSON object instead, or a JSON value, and then we can proceed with doing more complex stuff with JSON data structures. To do so, we first of all need CRD. A CRD is a package, a Rust package, which serializes and unserializes Rust data structures to different formats. Right now we're interested in the JSON format, so we will include this CRD JSON dependency to our project. Version of 1 is going to be enough. And besides that, we will also need JSON support in Rocket. So Rocket by default will not come with JSON support enabled. We will have to enable this feature by going to this Rocket dependency line and enabling this feature explicitly. So we will switch this version line to a more complex object now. In order to do so, the version will be specified like this, and then we will also add a new element in this object, which is features, and then in here we will have an array and JSON in here. This will basically instruct Cargo to compile Rocket with JSON support. Alright, now we are ready to go back in the main arrays file and switch this hello world string to a proper JSON value. In order to do so, we will have to import the JSON value data struct from Rocket. This is the path up here, and then we will switch this return value from static string to just JSON value, and then we're gonna make use of this macro, JSON macro from Rocket. It's a very nice macro which allows us to pass any Rust data structure in here, and this macro will convert it to a JSON value. And now, after we do this, of course, let's also remove this new line here, because after this macro converts this string to a JSON value, this new line would also be included in there and displayed also in the terminal. We don't want that. So let's now compile our application and then go and try to ping our endpoint again and see how it returns a JSON now and not just a text string. There we go. See, we now have a string quoted value. This is a sign that this is now JSON formatted, and we will have to decode it from JSON in order and parse it in order to start using it. Of course, in the following parts we will have more complex objects here, JSON objects. So yeah, let's go ahead and create some new endpoints now.